Morning peoples, how are you this morning? I hope you enjoy our last video. Today we're going to continue from where we stopped. Last week we did fraction, and we also did a conversion of improper fraction to mixed number. Today we'll be considering how to convert from mixed number back to improper fraction. Okay, as I've told you, we'll be considering how to convert from mixed numbers to improper fractions. I will be using this formula, W multiplied by D plus N over D. I'm going to tell you the meaning of all these alphabets. W means whole number. You multiply your whole number with your denominator. D means denominator. You add it with your numerator. We all know what numerators are, and we all know what denominators are. You add it with your numerators, you divide everything, that's over your denominators. Your denominator rather. I take it again. Whole number multiplied by your denominator plus your numerator, everything over your denominator. I would like us to run through some examples. The instruction says we are to convert the following mixed numbers to improper fractions. The first example we'll be considering is 2 whole number 3 over 4. So we are to convert 2 whole number 3 over 4 to improper fraction. I want us to look at this question very well. What's our whole number from this fraction? Our whole number is what? 2. And our denominator, as I've told you, your denominator is the number beneath. And that's what? 4. And the number on top of it is your what? Your numerator. So from this fraction now, our whole number is 2, our denominator is 4, and our numerator is 3. Now going with that formula I told you, so you say what's our whole number from our fraction is what? 2. Multiply by what's our denominator? 4. Plus what's our what? Numerator? That's what? 3. You can group these together. Everything over what? Our denominator, which is what? 4. Then we solve further. 2 times 4, that will give us what? 8. Plus our 3, everything over 4. We now add together 8 plus 3, that gives us what? 11 over what? 4. So our final answer will be what? 11 over 4. Therefore, 2 whole number 3 over 4 as a mixed number will give us 11 over what? 4 as an improper fraction. Now, number 2 example, we are to convert 6 whole number 3 over 5 to an improper fraction. Remember our formula, which is what? Our whole number plus our denominator, multiply by our denominator plus our numerator, everything over what? Our denominator. And from this fraction, our whole number is what? 6. Multiply by what's our denominator? Our denominator is 5. Plus what's our numerator? The numerator here is what? 3. Everything over what? Our denominator is what? 5. You can group these together. Then you say 6 times 5, that gives you what? 30 plus 3 over what? 5. Then you add together, you add the numerators together. That will be 30 plus 3, that gives you what? 33 over what? 5. Therefore, our final answer will be what? 33 over what? 5. You can see that 6 whole number 3 over 5 as a mixed number will give us 33 over what? 5 as an improper fraction. So we're going to take the last example for today on how to convert from mixed number to improper fraction. And that will be what? Example 3. So we're going to convert 8 whole number 1 over 3 to an improper fraction. Write out your formula, which is what? Your whole number multiply by your denominator plus your numerator, everything over what? Your denominator. Now, what's the value of our whole number? That's what? 8. Multiply by what's our denominator? 3. You can group them together plus what's our numerator? 1. Everything over what? Our denominator is what? 3. Then you multiply together. 8 times 3, that gives you us 24 plus 1 over 3. Then 24 plus 1 will give us what? 25 over what? 3. That will be our final answer. As you can see, 8 whole number, 1 over 3 as whole number, we give as a mixed number, we give us what? 25 over 3 as an improper fraction. Okay, please, I would like to bring the class to an end. So I will advise you to watch a video over and over again. If there is any part that you missed out, you can take it back and catch up with that explanation. And our next class is going to be on addition of like fraction and ordering of like fraction. Ensure you watch that video. Bye for now.